Hello grade 9 students. Welcome to another virtual class. I am Miss Madhu Vadke. We have started with a new chapter, chapter number 7, triangles. In last video class, we revisited the concept of congruency in triangles in detail and we revised some of the criteria for congruence of these triangles. That is SAS, ASA and AAS. According to SAS, side angle side, if two sides and one included angle of a triangle is equal to two sides and an included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by SAS. Likewise, if two angles and an included side of one triangle is equal to two angles and an included side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by ASA. And a modified criteria of ASA is also called as AAS, which is based on the fact that if two angles of two triangles are equal, then the third angle of these two triangles will also be equal. This gives us another criteria for congruence, angle side. That is, if any two angles and a side of one triangle is equal to any two angles and a side of another triangle, then these two triangles will be congruent by angle side. In today's video class, we will apply these criteria in proving some triangles congruent. In questions of exercise 7.1. Question number 1. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. Show that the two triangles ABC and triangle ABD are congruent. For every answer in this chapter, we will start by writing what is given and what is to be proved. And then we will write down the construction if it is required in the figure for proving the triangles congruent. So let's write down what is given. AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. To prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. In this particular question, what is given and what is to be proved are very clearly stated. In order to prove the triangles congruent, we need to apply one of the criteria that we have studied. So we will have to find corresponding sides and angles in these two triangles that are equal. So using the information that is given in the question, AC equal to AD, reason it is given, and we can say that angle CAB is equal to angle BAD, as AB bisects angle CAD. Now notice that AB is the side of triangle ACB and also of triangle ADB. So AB is a common side and it will be equal. So now we have two corresponding sides equal in this triangle and an included angle between these two sides is also equal. So this implies that these two triangles are congruent by SAS. What can you say about BC and BD? BC and BD are the corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So they are going to be equal. We can write this in short CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. BD is equal to AC and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Notice that in this figure, the two triangles that we have to prove congruent are overlapping. So, to have a clarity in identifying the corresponding sides and angles that are equal, what we can do is draw these two triangles separate and then identify and mark the corresponding angles and sides in these two triangles equal. So I am going to separate these triangles and draw them on the sheet. So here is triangle ABC. And here we have triangle ABD. Let's identify the equal sides and equal angles in these two triangles. So in the question it is given AD is equal to BC, angle DAB is this angle and angle CBA is marked over here. Now find the third side or an angle equal in these two triangles. That will be side AB, because AB is a common side to both these triangles. So it will be equal. Now you can easily say by which criteria these two triangles are congruent. Side, included angle and side. Side, included angle and side. So let's write down this much. We start every answer by writing what is given. AD equal to BC and angle DAB equal to angle CBA. To prove that is to be copied directly from the question. We start by mentioning the triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, AB is equal to AB, reason common side. AD is equal to BC, this is given, and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, this is also given. This implies triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by SAS criteria. Now look at the second part. BD equal to AC. BD and AC are the corresponding sides of these two congruent triangles. So we can directly write this implies BD equal to AC by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now look at the third part that we have to prove. Locate these angles in the two triangles. Angle ABD is this angle in triangle ABD, and angle BAC is marked here. So these two angles are the corresponding angles of two congruent triangles, and therefore they are equal. So angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by CP CT, congruent parts of congruent triangles. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment for today is to write the answers of the two questions that we solved in today's video class and solve this example question taken from the textbook. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.